Hello everybody and welcome to BizIII, our 3-minute daily podcast, always power-packed with new ideas, information, and daily inspiration, and now power-packed with video as well. So this is still our initial inaugural week of we've been doing BizIII audio for quite a while now, got a lot of shows under our belt. Now we decided we were ready to expand into our little video podcast. So it's been fun. It's been a fun week.
Yes, it has. And I like the hats.
Absolutely. Thank you. Now, let's talk about your show. You've got one that you want to share with us.
Daylight savings time. Daylight savings time was changed this year, right?
No. I didn't know.
You didn't know? Well, now I get to
Now
tell you two things.
Coaching.
They moved it up 4 weeks. It has been the first weekend in April for a long time.
And I'm an old farmer. I should know that stuff, but I didn't. Go ahead.
Yeah, and we're not going to get into the argument today about whether or not daylight savings time was a good idea. I don't want to go there because I can get passionate about that. But they moved it up 4 weeks, okay? And they moved it back 4 weeks. So we're going to have more daylight savings time. Unfortunately,
they moved it up 4 weeks and back 4 weeks.
Yeah, so it's now they moved it up to the second weekend in March. And then in October, they moved it back. So it's actually 8 weeks more. Okay. Here's the rub. The rub is that all of the products that you use have not had the opportunity to be adjusted for daylight savings time for the new numbers.
The technology products.
That's correct.
Interesting.
Usually, right, our computers reset themselves and everything just resets itself. But you have to be careful this year and do some of the work yourself.
Okay.
So first of all, for Windows, you go out to Microsoft.com/DST2007.
Don't forget this new media. So you push pause, you rewind, you write that down.
Yes, DST, Daylight Savings Time 2007, and it has some articles and some information about what you can do to make sure that your Windows gets adjusted for Daylight Savings Time. Now, you also have to be cautious about Office, particularly if you use an Outlook and Calendar, which we both do. So you have to be careful there. And then you just have to be aware that whatever software products that you're using might not automatically revert to the daylight savings time when it happens. So you might need to do some manual checking for all your products.
All right, very good. There's a little tech talk for you. Now, if you learn something new that you can use, do that. But we've got some other things coming up about some kind of hard-nosed new media, and it's about new online television and radio. I think it's going to be pretty exciting about new ways to make money with television and radio, and that's why we're in the television business now with BizIII video and audio. So join us again. We're going to share some interesting shows coming up. We hope you enjoyed our inaugural week of BizIII video, and along with
Les Bain,
I'm Mike Hughes reporting. Join us again, and we hope you'll make us one of your favorites. Thanks for joining us.